How's it going? Just to bring you up to speed, earlier today Bianca and I cleared out the air from the tractor lines. That's basically from the fuel filter to the fuel pump, and then to the injectors themselves, and then I decided to take it for a bit of a spin around the back paddock and just to see how much of it I could do before the sun went down. I'd almost finished when I discovered this had happened. I just decided to put the tractor away because I discovered I have a hole in my pocket, and my good phone that I just had fixed fell out of it while I was slashing. And the sun's also about to go down as well. Just started to retrace my steps and I found this. So, no dents, no scratches. And we have a missed call from me, from the work phone. So there we go. One lucky camper. But anyway, folks, supporters, did a bit of slashing today. Just up the back here. We are having big problems with the wheels lifting off the ground, as you can see there. I've ripped up the ground there and all around the back, going around corners. So we do need to get that big weight. I've pulled it out over there, but for the time being I've just popped on that Caterpillar section. I think it's a part of a Caterpillar track, I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, that's on there. It's nice, cast and heavy. I was going to try and put that other one on today, but it's just me by myself. Bianca's not allowed to lift anything for a few more weeks. And I pretty much wanted to get as much of this done as I could because we are in for rain for the next 3 or 4 days. I might actually pull it out again and just finish off these last scraggly bits here, actually, and just that little section there. Mainly because, you know, and it's good to look neat, and the only reason I stopped was I had a heart attack and thought I'd lost my phone. But anyway, that's what I got up to today, and also tried out Teams. Thank you to everyone who jumped on board and just made sure that Teams was working for me. I haven't used it before, but Bianca has, so I'm going to pack this up, pull out the tractor again and finish slashing. Hope you've all had a top weekend, folks. Catch ya.